Hi there! Today we have something pretty here. AOC U32U1 is 31.5-inch HDR600 certified 4K monitor with a design from Porsche. Sounds good to me. Let's take a look. Unboxing and setup is easy, as it requires no assembly. It has one HDMI 2.0 and one HDMI 1.4 connection, one DisplayPort 1.4 and an USB-C input, which is really nice. Also, there are 3 full-size USB ports, the third micro USB-B or whatever it's called, and I hate it, and one audio output. And I think we can all agree the design is outstanding. It made me actually excited. The way it moves up and down, the way middle is separated, the way the glass pokes out from the casing. It feels like actual designers made it, and I can't wait to try it out. You can adjust it in all the ways you want: height, tilt, and even pivot, which allows you to use it even vertically. But I would love to see it getting down a bit more, both on height and tilt, as it can be tricky a bit to use it from lower positions. I usually really like the menu systems with joystick, but I think AOC should quit using 2-row menus. While navigating through it, you press the joystick in to go into sub-menus. But when you want to change value, suddenly you need to press right, not the middle button. It shouldn't be very hard to design a system where OK function is done only in one way everywhere. But it's not too bad also. You can change everything you could want, so it's not that big of a deal. The 4K IPS panel supports 10-bit color, with pretty good sRGB, Adobe RGB and P3 color accuracy. It sounds like it could probably be a decent monitor for photo or video grading, but the HDR600 kinda messes it up, as you want at least HDR1000 capable monitor to touch HDR color grading. So the HDR600 is only for content consumption. And the gaming monitor, this also isn't, as it is slow. I mean, really slow. I have used a lot of 60Hz monitors, but I think this is one of the slowest. I wanted to play some CSGO, but in the warm-up, the delay from mouse input to outputting on the screen was so huge I decided I didn't want to ruin it for others and myself. Of course, casual games are good to play with no problems, but not something where every millisecond counts. And the price point of 850 to 900 euros makes me think that this monitor belongs on some well-paid designer's or architect's desk, where you want to feel special, and your clients need to know that you are successful. Don't get me wrong, it's not bad at all, and I really like it. The design is awesome, and the image is sharp, bright and vibrant, but I think AOC should make it HDR1000 capable to make it an interesting option to content creators as well. That's pretty much all I wanted to tell. Hope you enjoyed this, and let's have an awesome year!